Hello, charming people. Welcome to Luxury Diggers. We are a show that gives you more than just a little peep inside the world of your favorite celebrities. So, hit subscribe so you never miss out on any update from us. When you imagine an electrifying persona, only one man can come to your mind, and that's our very own impulse driven, ever so dramatic, charismatic, charming as hell, and dance moves that can give Govinda a big competition. It is none other than Bajirao to his Mastani, Ranveer Singh. And all that big story persona is evidently followed by a lot of big money. And the net worth of Ranveer Singh currently is 40 million. Just a copywriter from Ogilvy and Mather is now worth rupees 305 crores. His movie remunerations come down to 15 crores, which makes him one of the highest paid actors in the industry. His brand endorsement fees is about 4 crores. His personal investment of about 15 crores, owns 9 luxury cars worth rupees 11 crores. Income tax as per last year was around 18 crores. Ranveer Singh clearly loves all things shiny and boogie, which is visible. He recently bought himself a Bugatti worth rupees 12 crores. Although Ranveer Singh comes from a wealthy Sindhi family and owns a lot of properties in Mumbai, he recently bought a house in South Mumbai which costed him 8 crores. This man, filled up with extreme talent and energy, was born on 6th of July to Sindhi parents of Sindh, Pakistan descent, Anju and Jagjit Singh Bhavnani. He opted out of the name Bhavnani as he thought it would be too long for the people to recall it all the time and stuck with just Singh when he entered the industry. Not many know that he even has cousins in the industry. Sonam and Riya Kapoor, daughter of Anil Kapoor, from his maternal side. He has done quite a number of brand endorsements such as Oppo mobile phones and MakeMyTrip.com along with Alia Bhatt, but the most amount of attention was drawn when he endorsed a condom brand, Durex, which was considered a bold and an intelligent step in his endorsement list. Started his career as a copywriter, he went on to assist in Yash Raj films, from which he bagged his debut film Bang Baja Barat. He proved his talent and worth in his first movie itself and went on to do 4 movies for Yash Raj, Befikre being the latest one where he plays a typical Delhi boy in Paris. But his true stardom came from after he gave the massive hits in Sanjay Leela Bhansali films Ram Leela and Bajirao Mastani, which even won him nominations and several awards. His next film Padmavati by again Sanjay Leela Bhansali is also quite awaited, in which he's playing Alauddin Khilji. Ranveer is one of the actors that caters to all kinds of audience overseas, and especially South Indians love him, which will play as a major factor in his net worth growth in the coming years. Until then, keep dancing and moving like this ball of energy and keep it as stylish as your favorite celebrities do. Toodles and take care.